with a lot on my mind. And I'm looking for me a woman, but she's mighty hard to find. Lord, ask my country cousin, check the hottest spots in town.
Ow. Ow, fuck. Oh my god, we have still such a long way to go. It's 9:28 in the morning, boys.
Big bottle?
Got a good golf day for the boys.
See what you got then. Show me what you got.
Hey, anyway, you got an extra dart, man?
What's up?
Anyway, you got an extra dart, man?
See how many I got left.
Dude, you're a hero. I haven't smoked one in years.
One condition.
Yeah.
Light it up on the way out of here.
Got you. Hell yeah.
You got it.
Yep.
No, don't do no whine. Because I don't want to hear you throw up.
Don't do no whine.
Don't throw up.
Shut up!
Not on the con.
They said they get on to you more brutal at the high school?
Hell yeah, nigga.
Well, how about this fat fuck? I'm just fucking with you, bro. We just picked up a stranger on the way to the fucking golf course. He's trying to send me some crack.
Oh, this nigga look like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo.
Boy, you look like some rolled up dough.
Come on, Bryce! Come on,
Boy, you smell like a dusty ass seat. Like a dusty ass seat. Where do you live?
Oh shit, just keep going
Nah,
straight.
get the fuck out right now. Oh my god.
Send it. God,
Get this fucking mess.
we're about to send it! Let everybody know we're about to send it!
Just got to the golf course. About to go find our spot. Camp out, boys. Well, we already got kicked out on the last place. We didn't film it, but he accidentally honked the goddamn horn. We already got kicked out before we even went out there. If it looks about right, I think hole 9 should be about right here. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Holy shit. Ow.
Where's you now?
Crumb's getting on the fucking course. Oh my god. And my face. Ah, my face. Ah, my fucking face.
No. Stop, you. God.
You're not even out. We're out of it,
man.
Brandon.
It was an accident.
And 2 miles in the course. Just to fucking blow one horn at one dude and get the fucking cops called on us.
Bryce, what do you...
I think he knows. Oh shit, he's hitting one at us, buddy. He's hitting one at us. Oh fuck.
I hit it pretty fucking well.
Hell yeah. You ain't getting a birdie though. You ain't shooting birdie. Fucking square.
This guy got the fucking cock. I think he means fucking business.
Here. 3, 2, 1, honk it. Over here, dipshit! Hey, Lance! Hey, baby, Lance! Hey, keep up the good work, Lance! Love you, baby! Hit it.
He's calling the cops.
Is he really?
Yes.
Yes! Alright, well, people aren't really feeling the air horn on the courses, but this is honestly a really fucking hard prank to do. Man, I want to stop right there. Hey, honk the horn right here, this dude. But man, do we really fit the setting right now? I look like I'm about to fucking rip some lips and catch some dips, baby. There's more washed up trash than Paris fucking Hilton in 09. There's more washed up shit here than my balls back in fucking 15. Today was a successful day. Wish we had more golfers. Wish we would have got out there on a Saturday, but it's all right. RIP my boy Royce, November 9th, Saturday, 7:30 a.m. 14 best years of my life. This one's for him. Comment right now, where do you think I'm getting it? Under 8, above 8, 10, 15, what you think? Comment right now. And now I want you to drop a like. For me, my boy Royce yesterday, November 9th, 14 long years. Love you, Bubba. For Royce Wimpa, 14 long years, baby. Best years of my fucking life. See you at the gates, my man.